Oh man, it is a beautiful day. I can't wait to watch some TV. Llama, guess what? What is it, Mom? What is it? Do you know what time it is? I don't know. It's do your chores. Mommy, you have to stop making me do chores, dude. You make me do every single dumb, stupid day. Well, not every day. I don't do every day. Okay, sorry. You just go ahead and do your chores, okay? For the 100th time, I do not want to do my chores. Do them now, or it's gonna make you smell my feet. You're wearing silver things. Hair. Okay. Now you go do your chores, okay? Okay, Mommy. Gosh. 3 hours later. Okay, I'm done with my chores now. Now leave me alone. Okay. Why is my mom so annoying? What'd you say? I said, oh, Mom's so awesome. Okay. Phew, okay. Anyways, I wonder what I should do. I'm probably gonna go ahead and get myself something to drink. Okay, here's the fridge. Let's go and see what's in it. Whoa, look at all this pop, boy. Okay, let's go ahead and go in here and eat Sprite. Oh man, this is gonna be so awesome. Wait, huh? Wait, why the door shut? Help! Let me out! Help! Man, wait, is that the door? Hello?
What me? No. 1, 2.
Why don't you just come and take... Hey. Why that random baby just come in and take the pop? Why did a random baby just come in here and just take some of the pop? What am I gonna do? I don't want to be stuck in here. It's freezing in here. Help! I think they can't hear me. Dang it. I don't want to be stuck in here forever. I gotta find a way to get out. I need to find a way to get out. What's that sunlight? Let's go towards it. That just leads back up here. What am I gonna do? I don't want to be stuck in here. Help! I don't want to be stuck in here. Well, at least I have all this Sprite to drink. Man, it's pretty quiet out here. I wonder where Llama is. Ding dong. Oh, I wonder who's at the door. Hello? Hello, Miss Llama here? Blue Toad, what are you doing here? No, I haven't seen Llama at all. Ever since Llama told me to go after he did his chores, I haven't seen him at all. Well, I wonder if Llama's here. I think he's here. Maybe you can just go ahead and just go look for him, I guess. Okay. Okay, so have you seen Llama? No, I haven't seen him at all. He might be somewhere in this house. Okay, I guess. La 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 la. Oh, man. Huh? What's going on in that fridge? I'm also kind of thirsty, too. Oh, man, I can't wait to get a drink. Ah, man. Dude. Oh, man. Llama, what are you doing in the fridge? Oh, hey, Blue Toad. Here, just get out of the way. I'm gonna try to get a pop. Are you serious, Toad? We could have been free. Wait, what? We're stuck. Dang it. There's enough room in here. How many pops did you all buy? I don't know. Just get me out of here. How about we just drink all these pops? Yeah, that'll be a great idea. Okay, let's get the drinking. One hour later. It's been an entire hour and I haven't seen Blue Toad. Blue Toad! Llama, Blue Toad, this is not funny. Stop trying to trick me. Where in the world are you? Whatever. Man, Blue Toad, all those drinks were so good. I don't feel so good, Llama. Man, all those drinks were so delicious. Yeah. Man, I feel like I'm gonna explode after drinking all those Sprites. Yeah. Wait, but we're still stuck in here, though. Oh, that's right, I forgot. Help us! Help us! Ah! Help us! Help us! Help us! What's that noise coming? Why that noise coming from the fridge? What's going on? Llama? Blue Toad? You guys already drank all the Sprites? Yeah. I'm gonna beat you up! I'm gonna beat you up! Well, shoot. Now we're all stuck in here. Help! Help! Ah! 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 Honey, I'm home! Ugh. Oh, man. So thirsty. What's this noise coming from the fridge? Rosalina, Llama, and Llama's friend. What are you all doing in here, dude? I'm just gonna... you guys want to drink all the Sprites? Hey, I'm just gonna go and just turn the temperature down, and then we're all gonna get out of here. Okay? No! Looks like the entire family's stuck in this fridge, I guess. Help! Ah! Help! Ah! Help! 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 Everyone! Guys, it's no use. Maybe if we push the fridge, maybe it'll open, okay? Everyone, push! 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 Oh! Guys, my head's stuck! Oh no! Bluto! I'm stuck! I can't get out! Oh gosh! Finally! I was about to turn into an ice cube in there! Me 2, me 3, me 4. Oh gosh. I'm going home. Bye-bye, guys. Man, time to go. Man. Do-da-do-da-da. I'm gonna beat you what? For drinking all the sodas. I'm sorry. Let's beat him. Ah! No, wait! Ow, 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 ow! That's what you get for drinking all the soda. Come on, honey, let's go. The end.